So it's the last day and we are leaving today to go back to Bangalore. So I've been showing you guys this door, right? We thought it's like we're not supposed to open it because of this. Manjot opened it. Guess what? We have a balcony and it's so beautiful. You can literally hear it. Wait, hold on. You can hear all the birds, you can hear all the animals. It's so beautiful. And there's a nice sitting area. Hello, good morning and welcome back. So today we are going back to Bangalore. It's about 8:30. We're gonna go for breakfast. Also, with our package, they are offering us 2 complimentary pictures, like professional pictures. So we're gonna go get them clicked, have breakfast, come back, just quickly check everything, and then leave. We have plans to stop at Kushal Nagar to go to the monastery, but let's see how everything goes, because as you've seen from previous vlogs, we literally never stick to our plan. So let's see how the day goes. Keep watching and I hope you enjoy. So I think you saw the previous clip, if I've put this in, but we found out that we have a balcony today, like the last day before leaving. So Manjot's like trying to make the most out of it before we leave. It is very beautiful. I'm just trying to soak in all of this before we leave today. It's a little cloudy today. It's not blue sky like every day. And that's why it's not as cold. Usually when it's clear blue sky, it's very cold. But this is like warm enough for me. It's sad. I feel it's bittersweet. Like yesterday I was like, no, I want to go back. But today I'm like, oh, I'm going to leave this beautiful place. But we'll keep coming back now with... I hope to come back with mom and dad's, both of them, all 4 of them. And yeah, we're just waiting for our buggy. But I'm really gonna miss this place. You?
Yeah.
No? Okay, so we found our buggy on the way because we started walking.
Oh, this buggy, this also.
Now we're sitting behind. Because we saw people sitting behind yesterday. So now we're sitting behind. It's nice, no? He just wants coffee everywhere. He's like, oh, I wish I could sit on the balcony and drink coffee. Oh wow, I wish I could ride this and drink coffee. Manjot?
Much better than drinking anything else.
True. Do we have to? Okay, so we're going for breakfast. This is very pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go. Hello, good morning. Let's start with salad. So I got khichdi. This is mirchi bhaji, sausage. What is this? Yeah, vada, salad. This is a bun filled with jam, and dahi vada, cinnamon roll, and curd rice. As I was saying, I just realized like it's so random. It's very funny. And we have a beautiful view today. And we have a beautiful view every day, but we're sitting outside today because it's not that cold. Manjot's gone to get his food. I got this masala dosa. Doesn't look very aesthetic right now because I ate half of it. It's so good. It's the Mysore Puri masala dosa. It's amazing. Look at how flaky this is. It's so good. It's really, really good. You should also try it. Okay, so the sky is clearing up now. Let me show you. We also have like the photo shoot after this. You just have to have some tea and then we're gonna go take pictures and then do the final packing and leave. At least we're done with the photo shoot. We're just gonna look at the pictures now and choose 2 of them. Okay, so Manjot's doing all the checking out formalities. We just chose 2 of the pictures, and we want to go do the final packing, and then probably leave. The whole thing will probably take another half an hour. Our target was 10. We're probably going to leave at 10:30, but that's fine because we just have to go home. There's no appointment or anything, so we're not rushing it. But we do have plans to go to the monastery. Let's see how that works out. We've also packed a few things to eat. We don't have to really stop by, but if we also pack something with the driver, if Bhaiya wants to stop and eat something, then it's fine. I really am gonna miss this place. Like, I loved it so much. This was our first vacation after marriage, so yeah. This is our second last buggy ride.
Second.
Because we're gonna come back and we're gonna sit here only.
I might just walk it.
No, really?
Okay, we'll take the walk it.
No, it's so much fun just sitting in the. Yeah, oh my god. Oh wow. This is my favorite part of the trip.
All the parts. This is the peak. Yeah.
Yay, let's go. Clean, clean, clean. Oh, there's another message. Have a nice day. I'm gonna miss this room and I'm gonna miss the balcony. Do the final packing and go to Bangalore. We are now going to check out. Let's sit. No, Manjot, the wine bottle is there. Let's not. Let's hold it. Bar room. Do you feel sad?
Yeah.
I'm just quickly going to go buy the magnet that I really liked yesterday. Manjot's on his way. He's just gonna do some more formalities, then we're done. I'm just gonna go buy the magnet now. Okay, let's go. We're just packing. We've packed some food. That's the gift for us.
These are the salads.
Yeah. Can we get this buggy? Let's not get any in the car. Let's just take this.
To Bangalore?
Yeah. Thing before we leave. Let's go. It gave us a souvenir. You want to open it? What is it? Thank you. And then, oh, keychain. Oh, this is so nice. And we are most probably going to the monastery. I really want to go. I googled the pictures and it looks very pretty. I just hope it's not like too far away from the main highway. Let's see. Hello, it's 12:30. We're still in Kushalnagar because there's a lot of traffic for some reason and we can't go to the monastery because we'll get too late. We did pack some sandwiches that we had, so we're not really very hungry, so we're just going to leave Kushalnagar and then stop by maybe after some time for some lunch. But no monastery this time, hopefully next time. Yeah, there's so much of traffic. Look at it. The car's going all the way up to there. And there's like traffic here. It's moving really slowly. We've just stopped this cafe. I'm just gonna eat something light and then. So my thali is come. It's a veg South Indian thali. There's papad and puri and sabzis, and I think this is rice. Yeah, rice. Manjot got a dosa and idli. You like it? We're just gonna buy some biscuit for this dog, I think. She's a new mother. Let's see. She's understood. Like some problem with our system, like the car. So it always blinks like there's some tire pressure problem, even if there's no tire pressure problem. So Manju's just gonna reset it just to be sure. Like after like I've seen my dad, the uncle stand like the way Manjot was standing. I feel like that's an automatic thing after marriage. All men stand like that, especially when they think they're gonna do important stuff. Like Manjot, just look at him. He's getting the tire pressure checked. We're very close to Mysore. So I feel like once you reach Mysore, it's okay. We've almost reached home. No? Okay, so it's 7:30. We went to my mom and dad's and we exchanged cars, and now we are on our way home, exhausted. We're just gonna go unpack and sleep, so I might end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed the whole Coorg stay and just the whole Coorg journey. We really did. But thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow.